YouTube thumbnails. Now, the thumbnail I'm going to show you how to edit will eventually look like this. And it's really simple and easy. I find that Canva's been like the simplest of editing software I've used. It's very straightforward and simple to understand, which is why I use it. So as you can see, I just typed in canva.com and then YouTube thumbnails, filtered it. You can filter it by theme, style, colour, but because I'm a beauty guru, I've chose to filter mine by beauty. But you can also create a blank template, which is what I've chose to do here. And all I've decided to do for this thumbnail is go to elements, go to grids, go to this grid here, click it, change that background to orange. Then you go to simply add text, add a heading. Now you can choose the font. I'm going to choose, let's just search the font. I'm waiting for it to load. Hopefully it'll load without an issue. Turn this up a little. I'm just waiting for it to load. It's been quite slow. And I use the font Crafty Girls, now, which is a font I quite like. It's used in most of my thumbnails. So I just put here, makeup, the title of the video, Makeup Revolution, Revolution, X, the Lion King, mini review. Now, mini review. Now, I'm gonna personally drag the edges so that it fits in this orange background. I'm gonna put that to 70.4 because that's what it is in the 71.4 I think it was. Did it? Makes it bigger. Then you can choose the colour. Choose yellow because obviously it's the line thing. So there's two colours that I associate with the line is orange and yellow. Now I recommend you use colours relating to your video as it will attract the users to your video more. Now what I've chose to do is remove the background of my pictures and then just add plain solid colour background in my pictures so that it's more clean and crisp. So I'm just going to drag these photos in just like that, and then you just go up here to the share button and I'm not going to do it, but you click download and it'll say PNG, which is the suggested one, which is probably right, and then you just download it to your computer, then upload it to your YouTube editor when you're in the video creating studio, I think it is.